Microsoft. Connected sales and service. The challenges of earning customer loyalty have never been greater. Crowded marketplaces, competitive pricing, limited attention spans. How can I improve customer engagement and increase profit margins while helping my sellers keep pace with my complex product and service portfolio? By turning relationships into profit and realizing your product-as-a-service goals with a common business platform that provides a 360-degree view of customer engagement across sales and service channels. Amir is the VP of Sales for a high-performance industrial equipment business. Amir's primary focus is on winning more deals and increasing margins. As his company's capabilities grow, it's more important than ever for his team to effectively understand how his customer engages across sales and service channels. That's where Microsoft Dynamics 365 for customer service helps, by providing a built-in virtual assistant that solves common problems on the spot. And for more complicated questions, tech agents are able to distill thousands of pages of information in an instant, reducing overall wait times and boosting their effectiveness. Bottom line, Amir no longer worries about his customer's experience. By gaining a 360-degree view of customer engagement, the whole company can see where improvements need to be made. Amir is also able to close more deals more quickly and increase profits by automating the configure, price, and quote processes for his increasingly complex portfolio of products, services, and products as a service with ProSmart CPQ for manufacturing. No more, let me transfer you. No more scrambling for pricing information. Just quick solutions that are leaving his competitors in the digital dust. HP was able to do the same thing with their customer support experience. Since implementing the Microsoft Dynamics 365 AI solution for customer service, they can now better serve more than 600 million technical support contacts yearly. Customers conversationally interact with virtual agents, and HP support staff use the solution's database of customer issues to identify trends and areas for improvement. But that's not all. Customers are now empowered to solve issues on their own terms with self-service solutions. HP addresses 70 to 80% of their customer issues with digital tools. Not only is this driving customer loyalty for HP, it's also providing their sales teams with invaluable insights when it comes to creating revenue-driving relationships. Improve customer engagement and profit margins by helping your sellers keep pace with your complex product and service portfolio. Create accurate, tailored solutions for each customer. Automate the configuration, pricing, and quoting process for your sales team, empowering them to instantly create accurate, personalized solutions. Manufacturing a better future. Microsoft.